This salad is so healthy and nutritious that I always make it. I have a cucumber here and I'm going to remove the peel. Let's break it in half. Once we've done that, we're going to remove the seeds with this spoon. Then we'll slice it into small pieces. In this container, I have a chopped onion. And I'm going to squeeze a lemon. After squeezing it, add salt to taste. And we'll mix it up. Next, I've got a peeled avocado here and I'm going to slice it like this. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and we'll mix it very well. And we'll add a can of tuna. Add chopped parsley to taste. Next, add the salad dressing. And we can mix it in. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.